guys, welcome back to my channel. I am sweating right now. It is so hot. We're having like this insane heat wave all throughout Europe. It's around 32 degrees right now and it's gonna reach 34 by the weekend, which is so crazy. And here AC is not that common like in residential homes, so people just like we're just sweating. We do have a tiny little AC unit right there that goes out the window, but it's not like built into the house and it doesn't reach everywhere. But anyway, welcome to a new vlog. I am very excited for the next few days. We are going to be packing and prepping. We are going on vacation. We're going to Greece with my whole family. I'm so excited. So I want to prep and pack with you guys and show you some of the things that I've gotten for our trip, including this beautiful dress. How stunning. Absolutely love the color. It's got this cute little charm detail here. So pretty. And it's very nice and like lightweight, flowy, just perfect for hot weather. Okay, first off, I've gotten some new pieces from Gingerberry. I talked about them a few months ago. They are a fine jewelry brand that specializes in pearls. I am so in love with the pieces that I got from them. You guys have seen me wearing them in so many videos, especially this pearl necklace. The quality is superb. Like the way they feel, they sparkle so beautifully in the light. They're just so timeless. I wear them casually and also a little bit more dressed up. They're just so versatile and so pretty. So I went back on the site and I treated myself to a few more pieces that I've had my eye on, specifically these earrings. So these are called their Tassel Love earrings. They're these beautiful pearl drop down dangly earrings. Oh, I have had my eye on these for months and they're super lightweight too. Ooh. Oh, I love the movement. So these are made with Aurora pearls, which Gingerberry specializes in. These are the finest type of freshwater pearls. These are a high luster pearl and they're known for their very intense iridescent sheen, and they're completely flawless. They are a AAA grade pearl and they're on an 18 karat gold chain as well. So incredible materials and they're so comfortable as well. It doesn't feel like I have anything in my ears. Okay, I've also had my eye on this necklace. This is called their Dawnlight necklace and it's very similar to their Starry Night, which is the one that I've been wearing like non-stop since I got it, the one that I showed you guys earlier. But this is a little bit more dainty and fine, especially for summer when you have a little tan. This is just perfect for those summer days. Just a little like kiss of a pearl. It's so pretty and so elegant. Pearls just have this very chic and timeless feel to them. I feel like it just elevates any look, but the way that Gingerberry does pearls, their styles are still modern without being too trendy. It's like these classic kind of vintage, timeless pieces, just so sophisticated, and pearls just have this quiet, like natural elegance to them that I love. And again, very comfortable, like super lightweight. It doesn't even feel like I have anything on. I also got the matching bracelet from this necklace, which has again this beautiful, very like dainty, lightweight, kind of like whimsical feel to it. I thought this was such a nice set, and again just very timeless. You can wear this with everything. And again, both of these are also made with those freshwater Aurora pearls, which just have the most beautiful iridescence to them. Like these in the sunlight, they're so pretty, so lustrous. Okay, and then lastly, I also got this Akoya pearl necklace. This is really beautiful. It's set in this gold kind of dome, and then you've got the pearl here at the end. I thought this would be really nice for layering specifically, but honestly, even by itself, to have like a very minimal look is also so pretty. I also think this is a nice like intro piece for anyone who's just getting into pearls and you want to have something nice to layer with your existing jewelry. It's very lightweight, again, super elegant, and just feels so good on the skin. All of these pieces are also hypoallergenic, meaning that they're made with really high quality materials like 18 karat gold, 14 karat gold, old vermeil, sterling silver, so nothing is going to tarnish or change color. cucumbers. These are pieces that you can have forever. Plus with gingerberry specifically, their quality is amazing, but their prices are only around a fifth of similar brands. So you can really treat yourself compared to a lot of these mainstream fine jewelry brands. Definitely makes a really great meaningful gift for any loved one in your life, or again, just a beautiful treat for yourself, something that you know you can keep forever, and they just feel so good. They also provide a 3-year warranty, plus you get this envelope of certificates for all of your jewelry items, and these are authentication certificates. So you have an official certificate with an authentication stamp, information about the materials used, the grade of the pearl. They've been so kind to offer a code for my audience, which is Annie15, and this will get you 15% off site-wide at any time. They're also having an anniversary celebration promotion right now, and you can combine this code with their existing offers, which I will pop up here on the screen as well. They also do free worldwide shipping, and they have this great 30-day no questions asked return policy for customers worldwide. So they're really such an incredible brand. I would highly recommend checking them out. I'll have all of these items listed for you down below in the description box along with the code as well. But I just love. I feel very pretty, very elegant, and everything is so comfortable as well. Okay, here is a lunch recipe that I have been so in love with. It takes me 5 to 10 minutes to put together, so it's really great for busy days, and it is so healthy. So it is this sardine dip with cucumbers. I saw this going around and I had to try it because we have lots of sardines in our kitchen already. My son loves these, and they're so good for you, and this is a really nice way to eat them if you don't want to eat them like straight from the can. So I take 1 can of sardines and then a few tablespoons of Greek yogurt, then the juice of half a lemon, and the recipe is usually with dill, but I'm personally not the biggest fan of dill, so I do parsley instead, and it is so good as well. It gives it this beautiful freshness, and parsley is of course highly nutritious just by itself. It's a great source of antioxidants and vitamins. So I'm adding this to the bowl as well, combining everything really well, and then slicing up some cucumbers. And then placing those around the sardine dip, and it looks so pretty as well. Along with the sardines, I love a plate of fruit as well. The fruit right now is so good. That's definitely one of my favorite things about summer, is all the incredible fruit. Just so flavorful and juicy and like actually good for you. You can of course do this with crackers too, but the cucumber just gives it this really nice freshness, especially nice for summer. Plus of course the benefits of cucumbers are really high too, like great source of silica, which is amazing for your skin health, nice and crunchy, and it's just fun to dip it like this, and it genuinely tastes so good. I actually got into eating sardines because of my son. He loves sardines. They're such a great baby food because they're easy for them to hold, but they're soft and easy for them to like chew with their gums. It's a perfect intro to baby-led weaning, and they're of course so nutrient dense. But honestly, I was a little like, I can eat a variety of things, but with sardines, they just like, ugh. I tried eating them like he did, just like straight up, but I needed something else. That's why I'm so happy I came across this recipe. If you've been wanting to incorporate sardines into your diet because of their nutrient density, then this is such a great recipe to try. The main reason I really love them is for skin health. They're such a great source of omegas and healthy fats, which our skin just thrives off and loves. If you get sardines with the bone in, which I highly recommend, you're also getting the benefits of calcium. They basically become just like a powder when you mash them. So you're getting good omegas, healthy fats, you're getting calcium, plus of course they're a great source of protein. And they're also a fish that is very low in mercury. So if you enjoy fish, like I love salmon and tuna and things like that, but sardines are very, very low in heavy metals. Plus they're relatively easy and affordable to buy. I would say though, the better quality of sardine you're gonna get, obviously the better the taste. But yeah, this has been my go-to recently and I love it. And it's so quick to make as well. Like 5 minutes to throw this together. Good morning. It is the next day. I'm gonna do a strength class with weights. I love using weights in my workouts. I love Pilates and yoga too, but weights, it just really tones up your muscles like nothing else. I love body pump classes as well, which I haven't been back to for quite a while since having my son. I just love the versatility of at-home workouts. I do a lot of the Nourish Move Love classes on YouTube, which are free. I did a lot of her classes throughout my pregnancy as well. She's got a whole pregnancy strength playlist, and I have a little bit more time today, so I'm gonna combine two. I hope I can get to it if Kian stays asleep. So I've been trying to do a full body 35-minute legs and 20-minute arms. I'm gonna share with you guys now what the classes are. Okay, so this is the lower body. It's the 35-minute dumbbell leg workout. I will have this linked. It is so good. 35 minutes, all lower body, amazing. And then this is the arm workout that I also really love. I did this combo the other day and it is so good. This is the 25-minute dumbbell arm workout. I will also have this linked for you guys. Normally I do like a 20 or 30-minute class, but because I'm starting a little early today, I'm hoping to get in full body. Clip my hair away. All right, let's do it. With that workout, thinking that he was going to sleep longer because he had been doing that the last few days, and I was like, okay, I think I can squeeze in a little bit of a longer workout today. And no, he actually woke up early. That is baby sleep for you right there. But I did manage to finish the workout, which is really nice. He was just sort of playing and of course climbing on me and stuff, but it's okay. Like we did it. Anyway, I just had a nice shower and I'm just doing a quick skincare. I did our Nourish 3 Brightening Radiance Super Serum with vitamin C, and then this is our Calm & Hydrate Oil-Free Moisturizer on top. The best duo. It's just so nourishing for the skin without feeling heavy. Great for when it's super hot. If you have sensitive skin or acne prone skin, you're just prone to more breakouts, these products are so good. They're made for that. Non-comedogenic, super clean ingredients I love. And I wanted to share this SPF with you guys that I found. This is from Ultraviolet. It's SPF 50 plus. It's their super light mineral skin screen, and this is what I've been using the last, I want to say like month and a half, and it's really good. Again, my skin is so sensitive that I have to be very careful with the products that I use, and I've always found that physical SPFs are better for more sensitive skin. They deflect the sun compared to absorbing the sun's rays and then dispersing them, so they tend to be a little bit healthier for your skin and for your body. But of course, the nature of a physical sunscreen is that it is tinted, like to get that protection. So that's why you usually have a little bit of this color within the sunscreen to balance that out. But once this is all blended, I feel like it looks very, very natural and it feels really good on the skin. It's not very heavy, and I like the high SPF, and the finish is very nice too. It's not too matte, not too glowy. It's just like a kind of silky skin finish. So I wanted to recommend this one to you guys. I really like it, and I will have it linked for you guys down below, along with everything else, of course, that I have mentioned. Okay, I want to share a few more items that I've gotten for our trip and also just for the summertime. Some dresses specifically. I just live in like lightweight flowy dresses like this in the summertime. They're just the best, and this is a really nice lightweight one. I love the shape of this dress and how it's fitted here at the top and then just flows out really nice. I love the little thin straps that you can of course adjust here. You can make it fit perfectly to your body, which I really appreciate. And it's just very flattering, very comfortable, super nice for vacation, you know, for dinners. You can put a cute little bag with this, some cute sandals, obviously nice jewelry as well, and you can just dress it up and have it be like very chic and beautiful, but still super comfortable. This is from H&M. I believe it's a linen blend dress. The fabric is really, really nice. Also, the orange dress that I was wearing yesterday that I shared, that is also from H&M, very similar feel. Okay, next, this is a really great like running around with the kids on a hot summer day dress. Just so comfortable and lightweight. You don't even need to wear a bra with this. Like, it's just very flattering, just like easy, very effortless. I love this dress so much. This is from Amazon. I wore this a few days ago when it was super hot and it was amazing. I do need to wash it though and maybe iron it because it's a little wrinkly, but so good otherwise. All right, I've just put most of the pieces that I want to bring on a clothing rack. I actually love doing this before going on a trip to really see everything that I want to bring, like all just nicely displayed. It helps me to not overpack and also not to underpack, because I can really, you know, see like the core main outfits or dresses that I want to bring and to wear. So this was the dress that I just had on. I showed you guys this orange dress yesterday. Really, really love. This was the black dress. This dress I also wanted to share. This is new from Uniqlo. It's fitted here at the top and then flows out nicely at the bottom. Very, very comfortable. Great again for just like running around with kids, but you still feel like nice and chic. These straps are also adjustable, which I thought was really cool. This is another dress that I love. It's cotton, again fitted at the top, flows out a little bit. Really beautiful for summer. 100% cotton, so nice and breathable. And I like this little eyelet design here. And also the shoulder straps are adjustable. You can tie them at the top. These should also still be available. Cute little shorts. And then these green ones, also very beautiful with a little gold detail here, the top that you can adjust. So yeah, these are some of my favorites right now, and everything that is still available I will make sure to have linked for you down below in the description box.